Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Unacademy. Here we'll discuss the question which is a very important question. What is the selection criteria for the top B schools? Okay guys, so before we begin with the session, I just want to give a quick introduction about myself. So my name is Rajul Khare and I've cleared CAT 7 times in a row. And I've done my MBA from MDI Gurgaon in the year 2014-2016, and I will be taking quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning data interpretation section, and I've been taking these sections from last 8 years. I mentored more than 5,000 students offline, and apart from this, I'm running a company called as Tamasha Entertainment, which is based out of Gurgaon. Moving forward, let's come down to the selection criteria for the top B schools. So, first of all, in the last video, we discussed about what are the top B schools in India. You can just go back and see the video about what are the top B schools in the India, why are the top B schools in the India, what are the examination we have to clear to get into the top B schools. Now, I have the selection criteria for the top B schools. I have divided it into three parts. One, colleges which give a lot of weightage on profile. The second category of college which gives a lot of lot of weightage on exam scores like CAT, ZAT, IFT, whatever score they are taking. And then there are third category of college which have a which give weightage to both the things, like for the profile and for the actually exam score तो सब जगह देखा जाएगा, ठीक है, बट ये तो फिर coming to the category 1 college. So these are the 4 colleges which have a lot of weightage on profile. Means I have seen people getting a call from IIM Ahmedabad at a percentile as low as 90 percentile, and I've seen people not getting a call from IIM Ahmedabad even at 100 percentile. Okay, so it means they have a lot of weightage to profile. So these 4 colleges, note down these colleges: IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Indore, and SP Jain. These are the 4 colleges which gives a lot of weightage on profile. So once your profile is good, they might call you even at 95 percentile, and once your profile is not good, they might not call you even at a 99 percentile. SP Jain might call you even at a percentile of 85 in CAT. Okay, so be sure that your profile is good. We will be coming down to what is a good profile. Okay, now majority of the colleges which are non-IIMs are in the top league apart from IIM Calcutta. They have a weightage of just exam score. It means you need to have a decent profile like 10, 12, more than 60, 70%. They will give you a call. The colleges are IIM Calcutta, which takes through CAT. The cutoff for this college is 99.62 for general candidate. The next college is FMS. The cutoff is around 99 percentile. MDI Gurgaon, 95, 96 percentile. They'll give you a call. XLRI Jamshedpur. So if you clear that, so around 93 you get a call for HR, and 95 you get a call from BM. IIFT Delhi, Kolkata. Just check the IIFT score. IITs, Narsi Munji, new IIMs, and Symbiosis. So anybody who is not having a very good profile, don't worry about it. Almost 70 to 80% of the colleges will be taking you on the basis of the exam score. Okay, now there are three more colleges which are IIM Lucknow, Kozhikode, and Shillong, which checks both. So roughly the cutoff goes around 97 to 98 percentile in both the colleges. So once you get a 97, 98 percentile and you have a good profile, they might call you. Okay, so colleges like IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, and SP Jain, these are the 2 colleges which will take you only when you have a relevant work experience. Okay, guys. Okay, so we all know the structure of CAT. So once we cleared the paper, which is an online examination, 2 hour duration, 40 minutes each. So there are three sections of 40 minutes each. There is a negative marks -1 and a positive of 3 marks for every question. There will be both MCQs and non-MCQs, and then there are 3 sections which are verbal, LRDI, and quantitative aptitude. So once you give this paper in November, and you fill the form roughly in the month of August and September. So on the basis of your exam score and profile, they will give you a call. Okay. Second phase will begin in January when the CAT results will be out. There will be GD or VATs, group discussion and VATs. GDs are not happening because the paper, the second phase is also online these days. And second will be your personal interviews, the overall score of your personal interviews, VAT, PI, CAT, and profile will be included, and then you will get a final call from the B school. Okay, now coming to $1 million question is what is a good profile. Now this is a question जो सबके बच्चों के दिमाग में रहता है कि सर कैसे अच्छी करूँ प्रोफाइल और प्रोफाइल कैसे अच्छी या बुरी मानी जाती है. So I have decided 5 parameters for your profile. First is your 10th and 12th class scores. Okay, so if your 10th and 12th class score both are more than 90%, you should get calls from all the B schools. If they are more than 95%, so even at a lower percentile of CAT, you may get a call from IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and SP Jain. This is the most important parameter in your profile. Okay, so they are on the basis of the priority. Second is your undergraduation score in diversity. Now this is again very important. Here the word diversity is very important. So if you are not a gem means general engineer male, ठीक है, your profile, your diversity will be something. Okay, so there is a weightage for the female candidate, there is a weightage for the people who are non-engineers, and then there is a category for people who are not general as well. So for the people who have done NIFT, so I met a student 2 years back who just got a percentile of 91, and she got a call from IIM Ahmedabad. She converted it as well because she was from NIFT. So anybody having diversities in terms of, if you are a dentist, if you are a doctor, if you have done fashion designing, fashion technology, any course which is very diverse, which not everybody does, like hotel management or something like that, you will get a good profile for that. Undergraduation score is also something very important. Okay, so in case you have got more than 75 or 80% in undergraduation, it will be very good for you. The third important parameter for a good profile is your undergraduation college brand. So if you are pass out from IIT, NIT, or any top-notch college, I think you will be having a very good profile on that. The fourth important parameter in a profile is your work experience. Okay, so if in case the ideal work experience, according to me, when you join a B school, should be between 18 to 24 months. Most of the colleges are looking for a work ex of more than 1.5, 2 years, even till 36 months. I think it will be considered very good. Okay, and the lastly will be the overall diversity. Overall diversity means I told you about the whether you are a female candidate or whether you are coming from a general background or you have won competition. So once you fill the CAT form, they'll ask you for everything what I have written. They'll ask you about your 10th score, 12th score, undergraduation score, diversity, what have you done, what which college you have done, which brands or work experience में brand भी बड़ा important करेगा. If you are a pass out, if you are working in top companies like BCG or EY or any company which is good branded, or you're coming out from startup, everything will be very very important. Although the final call will be taken after your interview, so interview has a lot more weightage than anything which is written there. But to get a call, you need to have a good profile, and these are the important points for the good profile. And don't worry guys, in case you are not uh, thinking that you have a good profile, there are majority of the colleges will be taking you through what exam score. So once you get a good score, so in case your profile is not good, target a percentile of 99 in CAT. In case your profile is also is very good, still target a percentile of 99, but then you have a relaxation, maybe at 97, 98 you get a call from the top notch B schools. Interesting stuff is there are 7 old IIMs, IIM A, B, C, I, L, K, S, and 6 of those 7 IIMs are looking for profile, and there is only one college which is SP Jain, which is a non-IIM, which gives a lot of weightage on profile. Apart from it, apart from the colleges which are not IIMs, which are non-IIMs, and they are top colleges, most of them focus on the exam score. Okay guys, so this is it for today. This was about the selection criteria for the top B schools. I think you must have gained through this video, you must have got a clarity about this video. And in case you have any doubts, please follow my Telegram channel, which is unacademy_Rajul Khare, and please follow us on the Unacademy Cat channel, which is livedaily.me #chat. Okay, so please guys, please follow us on the Telegram, and this is about the CAT subscription from Unacademy. So you will get a lot of educators like me who teach daily on Unacademy. So once you subscribe yourself to Unacademy, there are 2 subscriptions possible, which are Plus and Iconic. So in Iconic, over and above Plus, you get personal mentorship, you get personalized guidance, you get personalized mock analysis, personalized PI mocks. And in Plus, you normally get all the classes which are available on Unacademy, all the live classes, all the mock test, all the analysis, everything will be there. Practice questions, 24/7 doubt solving support, live quizzes. Okay guys, so you can choose Plus or Iconic. Please remember my code. My code is RKUS. So if you use this code, you get a 10% discount on your subscription. The subscription begins from 1 month and goes up till 24 months. Okay guys, so for 12 months, the subscription for Plus is 17,500. For 12 months, the Iconic will cost you 30,000 rupees. For 24 months, the Plus will cost you 21,000 rupees. And for 24 months, the Iconic will cost you 41,000 rupees. Please note down my code. My code is RKUS. So if you use this code, you get a discount of 10% on the subscription. Okay, so if you use my code, the 12-month subscription of Unacademy will just cost you around 15,750, and 24 months will just cost you around 18,900 rupees, which comes down to just 875 rupees per month. Now these are the CAT 2020 learners who have cracked the exam with flying colors, and you could be the next. And these are the certain batches which are just started or about to start. So on 8th February, we have started the batch percentiler batch for CAT 21. 10th February, we have started a batch for exclusive weekday evening batch. 13th February, we'll be starting a batch on weekend batch for CAT 21. So you can enroll in any or all of these batches. This is about the Unacademy Champions League. So on February 14th, Sunday 5 p.m. to 5:40 p.m. you can win Amazon vouchers up to rupees 10,000 or Unacademy Cat Plus subscription for 1 month. So please enroll for the Champions League. Please win the exciting prizes. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe me to, on the Telegram, so that every time whenever I share the video or whenever I take a lecture, you have full updates about it and you can be the part of this. So please hashtag Cat Life Daily, and please find us and subscribe to this video. Please like the video. Thanks a lot. That's it for today.